In today's video, we'll see how we can insert today in Excel. Right? It's very easy. I'll show you how to do it. For that, I've taken a worksheet. In the worksheet, you put an Excel formula, today, T-O-D-A-Y, open the bracket and close the bracket. You don't need to put anything inside, and enter. Then you'll get the today, right? That this date will appear in the Excel file. So this date is automatically updated whenever you open the Excel file. If it's tomorrow, then it'll show us as 27. Now let me show you how we can use it in a formula. I'm counting number of days between 2 days, right? Select the formula as days, 360, open the bracket, select the date, and from today onwards, right? So I'm putting as today, and open the bracket. Okay, close the bracket, close it again, and press enter. So it's in a different format, so I'm gonna change the format to number or general and click OK. I get the number of days from that day to today, right? This you can use it in your day-to-day job. Thank you so much for watching.